Hello and welcome everybody to day 12 of our Devlog series. Today I kind of started the building system. It absolutely needs more time, but for today it's a start. Let me just show you. You can craft your building parts from here. Including door and window. You can start a little house like this. Add a little window. Oh, I forgot to finish the walls. Then it gets bugged like that if you don't finish it for now. As you can see, we can add some walls, some windows, some doorways, but it doesn't stop building mode because I didn't add it to the blueprints now. But debugging is for tomorrow because today it's been late and I am a little bit tired. As you can see, you can start a little house, but it doesn't always go up to the ground. And I didn't finish it as well, and sometimes their rotation is a little bit broken. It's going to take a little bit more time. It needs more parts as well. It's like stairways, ladders as well. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video and see you next time.